Hi everybody, Sophie here, and today I'm talking about skincare and beauty myths busted, part 2. Okay, hello everybody. I know sunshine is becoming such a regular feature in my YouTube videos, and the truth is that she wants to be with whoever is sitting on a bed. So if you sit on a bed, you are not going to be, you've got to have a little sunshine, basically, if you're sitting on a bed, because she loves to be sitting up, don't you? All right, so skincare and beauty myths busted. You know, one of the reasons why I've created this workshop, the online workshop that I'm about to tell you about, is because I did a video a little while ago, Skincare Myths Busted, with a lovely girl called Wendy, and it got a tremendous response. And I think it did because none of us want to have the wool pulled over our eyes. We don't want to waste our hard-earned money on products that aren't going to be effective or really, or even worse, not going to be safe for us, right? And I think another reason why it's so important to bust skincare and beauty myths now is there is even more information than there ever has been that is so ridiculous. I mean, literally, I put in the sort of little blurb to my online workshop that I'm just about to tell you about, because it's free and you can't miss it, is I say stop believing the lies. Because obviously we're fed a load of absolute nonsense from the big multinational skincare marketing companies, because they're trying to sell products, and so we're told that, you know, age reversal, age defying, and it can do this, that, the other, and banish your cellulite forever, or whatever the lie is. But I think even more confusing now is all of these images and graphics and Pinterest graphics that we see saying, you know, lemon juice can remove dark spots for good, and baking soda can do this, and coconut oil can do that. And honestly, my friends, it is time to separate fact from fiction. Let's get real about this. And this is why I decided to create an online workshop, because it's a much easier way for me to, it's the easiest way for me to teach. It is a live workshop. And the joy and the beauty of having a live workshop is that you can chit chat and ask me questions as we go. So mark your calendar right now, April the 24th at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can sign up, there's a link in the description below this video. Sign up and save your seat. And I do recommend saving your seat as soon as you can, because there is a head count limit to all of my online workshops, and once it's full, it's full. So I'm posting this video now, so you have plenty of time to reserve your seat, save your spot, and when you save your spot, you will get a little email, a confirmation email saying you are in, and if you're in, my friends, you are in. And then all you have to do on the day is, you'll get lots of little reminders, but you'll show up online on your computer or your phone at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and boom, I will be there and I will take you through this workshop that I put together. And in this workshop, I am taking my top 10 skincare and beauty myths, and I am busting them. So never again will you believe those 10 particular lies. But there's also going to be a lot more other stuff. There's going to be tons of information in there pertaining to all the different myths, and hopefully stuff that's also going to really help you and sort of, you know, point you in the right direction of certain things that you need to look for or make or buy for particular skin conditions. And the other thing is, which is fun, particularly for my lovely YouTube community, is I've created a special gift to go with this workshop. And it's a special bonus gift. And if you attend the workshop, you get the gift free. So the workshop is free and the gift is free, and I'll also be chit-chatting toward the end of the workshop about some really fun events and stuff that I'm up to too. So altogether the whole experience is going to be hopefully quite illuminating and fun and interesting for you. And so the actual workshop is going to be 30 minutes, and then there'll be a 15 to 20 minute Q&A where you can ask me those questions live, which is great because on YouTube you can't ask me the questions live, but you can obviously in this workshop. So it's a webinar style. If you've ever done a webinar, it is just like that. So do not delay, my friends. Right now, click the link in the description to the video, and I'm really, really excited about this, and I'm looking forward to seeing you April 24th, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. See you later.